Riwruok mar jotije matiyo e paw ndeke Kenya Aviation Workers Union obuogo timo ng'anyo ka giwacho ni tend paw ndeke ma pacho ka Kenya Civil Aviation Authority pok ochopo winjruok mane giketo mar CBA 2015 kod ka ywak mamoko. Gichiwo ne Kenya Civil Aviation Authority ndalo 7 mondo mi owinj ywak margi, ka kamano to gibiro dhi e ng'anyo. Riwruok mar Kenya Civil Aviation Authority to wacho ni mondo jotije paw ndeke obed kodgi piny e mesa gilarre ma ok bago ng'anyo.
Today we have called you to issue a formal strike notice against Kenya Civil Aviation Authority. Despite our attempts, KCAA has declined and refused to negotiate and conclude a CBA with us since 2015. Our demand is all those on contract employment at KCAA, including staff, including the catering staff at IASA, must be put on permanent and pensionable terms of employment before the expiry of 7 days.
For whatever has led to this perception that there's anti-union posturing by the management, I'll just say that is not true. As a management, we want to negotiate with the union such that everybody is happy, becomes a win-win situation for everyone, and we build this great republic of ours.